Hello and welcome. Today, we'll take a step-by-step journey through Koha's administration module. Whether you're a librarian setting up your library for the first time or looking to customize and manage your system more effectively, this module is the backbone of your library's operations. Together, we'll explore key features such as creating libraries, setting up item types, defining patron categories, configuring circulation rules, and more. Let's get started. Let's start by creating a new library in Koha. This step is crucial to define the basic structure of your library system. Follow these steps. To access the administration module. From the Koha homepage, click on the Koha Administration. Under the Administration module, find the section titled by Basic Parameters. This is where you manage the foundational settings for your library. Within the Basic Parameters section, click on the Libraries option. This will display a list of all existing libraries in your Koha system. To create a new library, click on the New Library button. Fill in the necessary details. Enter the full name of your library. Assign a unique short code to your library. Add the library's address and website link if applicable. Click Save to finalize the setup. Your library is now created and ready for further configurations. Item types help categorize the different kinds of materials in your library, such as books, journals, DVDs, etc. Here's how to set them up. To navigate to item types. In the Administration module, click on Item Types under Basic Parameters. This will display a list of all existing item types in your Koha system. To add an item type, click on the New Item Type tab. Fill in the details. Define the name of the item type, example, book, magazine, etc. Provide a brief description. Optionally, assign an icon to represent the item type visually. Additional details like charges, timing restrictions, or other specifics can be added below. Click Save to create the item type. Your item types are now configured and ready for use in cataloging library materials. To start circulating library materials, it's important to define patron categories, which represent different types of users, such as staff, students, researchers, etc. Accessing patron categories. Under the Administration module, find the section titled by Patron and Circulation Categories. Click on the patron categories from the list. This will display a list of all existing categories in your Koha system. Adding a new category. Click on New Category and fill in the details. A short code to identify the category, example PhD for PhD students. A clear description of the user group. Specify enrollment dates, fees, and other criteria. Set borrowing limits, if any. Configure overdue fee policies and default messaging options. Click Save to complete the setup. Patron categories are now set up, enabling you to assign rules and manage circulation for specific user groups. Circulation and fine rules are essential for defining how materials can be borrowed and returned. Let's configure these rules. To access circulation and fine rules, go to the Administration module and click on Circulation and Fine Rules under the Patrons and Circulation section. To setting up the rules, select the library from the drop-down menu. You can also create standard rules for all libraries. Optionally, use the adjacent drop-down to clone existing rules for quicker setup. To configure details, in the table, fill in the following fields. Select patron category for specific user groups. Select the item type of material, example, book, DVD, etc. Number of checkouts, define how many items can be borrowed. Loan period, set the duration for which the items can be borrowed. Fine amount, specify the fine for overdue items. Fine charging interval, determine how often fines are applied for overdue items. Grace period, set a buffer period before fines are charged. Renewal options, include the total number of renewals and the renewal period. Number of hold allowed, define how many items can be held for a patron. Click Save to apply the rules. You can set a default maximum number of checkouts, hold policy and return policy that will be used if none is defined below for a particular item type or category. Circulation and fine rules are now defined, ensuring smooth library operations and adherence to borrowing policies. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need a refresher, feel free to revisit this video. Have a great day and happy managing!